All right, guys, so this is Bill with his Lincoln Aviator. He just got our Pinnacle Ceramic Coating Package. Bill, what do you think of this vehicle now?
I'm amazed at how this turned out. I mean, I was expecting it to look nice. This is beyond what I thought it was going to look like. You can reach right down into this paint. Every little detail around the headlights, around the blinkers, all of the trim around the front, every little piece that had black paint on it has been coated. It's just amazing. The detail on this is just phenomenal. I can't believe it.
Awesome, man. Yeah, what Bill's saying here, guys, is we did actually take the time to not only coat those areas, but we also took time to polish those areas. I mean, you can see in his grill here, look at that grill right there. Every single one of those we took the time to polish. A lot of shops don't do that. Bill, how likely are you to recommend this to other people?
Oh, highly recommended. I'll be telling a lot of people about you, man.
Awesome, man.
This is just phenomenal. If you're thinking about getting your car done, this is the place you need to be.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Bill.
You bet.
As always, guys, if you want to get it done, give us a call at 920-450-2085.